Welcome in another weekly summary, first time with me. So let's start. Steelo Max team will be joining us on the next Monday and they will stay, I think, forever. Okay, cut it. We have new trainee design engineer will be starting on Monday. Good luck to you. Big thanks to Maciek, and it's a good job to Maciek with the welder from Artur and the whole production team. Keep up with the good work. Next, we had a pizza day on Friday. One more time, thank you for the whole team for the effort, hard work and cooperation. Good job, and I hope you enjoyed that. We are starting a new month. Today was the last day. We achieved above 1,300 X points, which is, we didn't hit the target, but it was good result as for the January. So thank you for the good work, and big thanks to Gabi, who achieved 600 X points this month, and it's the first month of this year, so great job. Where are we? Quick reminder, on the Tuesday we have a company meeting at 4 p.m. Next we have a new company brochures. Ta-da! Oh, I covered that, sorry. Thanks to Marta for that, for the good work. I hope you like it, and I hope it look very good. Another thing, big thanks to Lina, TK, and everyone who is involved, including me, in solving the Langford Place project. We are going forward. Great job, and thank you very much for your support. And last but not least, big thanks to whole production team for the hard work on this week. We had a lot of job to do, a lot of projects, difficult ones, especially the 4 Summit, so thank you very much for your effort. I think that's it. We can cut it.